Hi guys, if you are facing strict NAT type or connection issues in the games, enabling UPnP can help. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can turn on UPnP in Windows step by step. So first of all, simply click on this search bar here on your PC. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for control panel. When you are able to open the control panel, you just have to simply look for the option of network and internet. So here inside the network and internet, simply look for the option of the advanced settings. So here when you are inside the advanced settings, you just have to turn on network discovery and automatic setup for the network connected devices. And UPnP depends on this setting in order to detect the devices on your network. Now after doing so, simply press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Over here in this particular box, you just have to simply type this command, which is called services.msc. Then you just have to hit enter. Afterwards, you just have to find the SSDP discovery and UPnP device host. Right click on each one and set startup type to automatic, and then click on the option of start. So this is going to activate the UPnP support inside the Windows. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.